Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Game Center, tap the app or go to Settings, then Game Center. Sign in with your Apple ID if asked. Once signed in, you'll see your current avatar and profile name. Tap the avatar or the profile card to open the edit view. Do this now so you can change the image. The app needs permission to access photos. If it requests photos or camera access, allow it, otherwise you won't be able to pick or take a new picture. Once you're in edit mode, choose whether to pick an image or create one. Tap Photos to browse your library and select a picture, or choose Camera to take a fresh shot. Frame it well and tap Use Photo. After selection, you'll see crop and zoom controls. Adjust the image so the subject is centered, and use any provided badge or emoji overlays for flair. Make sure the image meets community guidelines and looks clear at smaller sizes before continuing. To finish, tap Done or Save and wait a moment for Game Center to update your avatar across devices. Once done, verify the change on your profile and in a game session. If the image doesn't update, restart the app or the device and make sure Game Center has photos and iCloud permissions. If problems persist, sign out and back in or reinstall the app. These steps refresh cached data and usually resolve upload or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.